what's your story?
So the story is like primarily AJ Plumbing just did 100% new construction. We weren't service oriented. My goal was to try and grow the service department and become service oriented. That's when we started a company called Clog Busters, drain cleaning. So basically just running drains. So anyway, we started Clog Busters, and that's when we started utilizing the flat rate. Clog Busters was going a little bit. We were charging hourly stuff. But then since we've implemented the flat rate, I mean, I think every single one of the technicians are averaging $2,000 a day or plus. You know, if we had $1,000 day before, it was a, okay day. So it's been great. It's been great for the guys. It's been great for, the company. And obviously I've yet to reap any of the benefits of it because it's grown so fast. So it's not like I'm getting rich yet, but I will be soon.
Wow. So essentially your service sales have doubled.
Yeah, by far. So we went from 2 service technicians in February to now we have 8.